Number 1. Facilitated diffusion, a type of passive transport that does not require energy to move molecules down their concentration gradient. Uses membrane proteins to move molecules across the membranes that are large or charged.
In facilitated diffusion, substances move from high to low concentration, down their concentration gradient, just like in simple diffusion. The only difference is that the substance diffuses through a protein that acts like a channel or tunnel. Since movement is still from high to low concentration, no energy is used by the cell to make facilitated diffusion happen. It is totally passive.
Number 2.
Osmosis. In biology, osmosis is the net movement of water molecules through the membrane, especially from an area of higher water concentration to an area of lower water concentration. We are demonstrating osmosis by putting 2 potatoes to a water, one with salt and a normal water.
"12 hours later."
After 12 hours, the potato in the water with salt got soft and dark spots, and the other potato remains the same.
And finally, the last one, diffusion. Diffusion is a process that refers to the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. This process leads to an equal distribution of particles throughout the system. This is a great demonstration of a process called diffusion.